Understanding the phrase, on common ground. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, on common ground. This phrase is widely used in conversations and writing, and understanding it can really help you in both understanding English culture and improving your language skills. So, let's get started. First, let's break down the phrase, on common ground, literally. The word, common, means something that is shared by two or more parties. Ground refers to a solid surface, like the earth or floor. When we put these words together, we get a phrase that literally means a shared or mutual surface. But there's more to it when we use this phrase in everyday English. In most contexts, on common ground is used figuratively. It refers to a situation where two or more people agree on certain points or have similar opinions, beliefs, or interests. It's like saying they are standing on the same patch of ground, metaphorically. This phrase is often used in discussions or negotiations to highlight shared understanding or agreement. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase is used. 1. In a debate, despite our differences, we found ourselves on common ground regarding environmental policies. 2. In a relationship, we come from different backgrounds, but on common ground of mutual respect, our relationship thrives. 3. In business, the two companies found common ground in their commitment to innovation. These examples show that finding common ground can be a positive step towards understanding and cooperation. There are other phrases with similar meanings to on common ground. For example, finding middle ground. This means finding a compromise or an area of agreement between two differing viewpoints. Seeing eye to eye. This means agreeing with someone or having the same opinion or view. Understanding these phrases will enrich your conversational skills in English. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, on common ground. Remember, this phrase is a powerful tool for expressing agreement and shared perspectives in English. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in your language learning journey. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.